So the first step is to reboot your phone in safe mode. To do this, hold the power button A. Once you hold it, the power menu appears. Now tap and hold on restart button A, so an option will appear, that is you can see reboot in safe mode. Now I'll reboot in the safe mode. Now, once you reboot your phone in the safe mode, you will see an indicator that is written safe mode or air. Now, in the safe mode, you will notice these third party apps will not work, they will be disabled. Now, you have to look in your phone if you have any third party apps, they will look like this disabled. Now, you will check any spyware softwares, any type of malwares, any type of viruses, or any type of applications which you don't know and which you feel are suspicious. You will have to look for them in the menu of your phone, so you will feel those are the third party apps. Now it's the step one. Now, in this mode, you will have to use your phone for 10 to 20 minutes to determine to see how is your phone working, if it's reliable, if it's working perfectly, and you don't see any suspicious app, it means this step is clear. Now, to exit safe mode, again press the power button and normally restart your phone. And if your step 1 is cleared successfully, so welcome to the step 2. Now in step 2, you need to download and install this application. Don't worry, I'll give you the link towards this application. Now just tap and open this application. This application will list all those activities, all those events which are triggered when you reboot or start your phone. Now, if there is any hacker, if any software that tracks you, or there is any suspicious software that is automatically rebooting itself when your device reboots, it means that will copy itself and it will start working. Now you can see it lists the applications after startup. Now you recently we rebooted our system from safe mode. Now you can see these all events were triggered. Now you can see a list of applications. Now if you look carefully here, if you see any suspicious application which you don't trust, just simply uninstall that. Now let's see an example. Now see, you can see this editor, you know uh, in short. Now I see, let for example, if I don't trust this application, I see it's a suspicious one. After restarting my phone, this was triggered. So you should just click this and click application information, and simply you can uninstall this. Now it's just an example. If you see any suspicious event, you just have to uninstall that. So, and if your step 2 is cleared successfully, now we successfully land on the step 3. Now step 3, you will need to download and install this application. I'll provide you the link. Now just click this application and click on scan now. This application basically scans all the applications present on your phone, and it will especially provide you all the loggers and all the trackers present in your phone. Then you can later on analyze those all logging and trackers and loggers, whatever is uh, feeling you a suspicious one. You can uninstall that, or you can take particular or expert level actions against that application. Now you can see this is analyzing. Now you can see over here 10 tracker found and 0 logger found. Now what's happening on my phone, let's see. Once your scan is complete, it will show you a report of all the applications in the stats tab. Now let us just tap the applications. Now let's take the example of this CapCut over here. Now if I tap CapCut, it will show you what requirements, what permissions this application is taking. and it will show you all the information regarding this application. Now this application is having 364 activities on this device. You can see over here, and providers and services. If you find any sort of suspicious application over here, you just need to close its all permissions, close its all activities, and you need to uninstall that application. Now you can see these are the trackers found for this application. And in this app, you can also have an option that is hidden applications. If there are any hidden applications, you can find them over here. And if you go to the settings, you can include system apps as well for scanning. Now, if system apps are scanned, now sometimes some spyware softwares, some spyware applications are installed on your phone as if they are system applications, and most of the tracking application and the antivirus softwares exclude them from scanning. So you need to turn on this option and scan for any type of suspicious application and remove it immediately from your phone. Now if you this step is clear, let's move towards the next step. And if your previous all steps are clear and successfully passed, now welcome to the last and the most important stage. Now you just need to download and install PCAP Droid, an application which is normally available on Play Store. Now, in this step, we are going to analyze the network communication of our device, that our device is communicating where. Now, just open this application. Now, just you need to turn on the Wi-Fi connection. Mine is turned on now, and you can see it will analyze my network communication, and it will provide me details where is my phone communicating to. Now, if you find any suspicious application that is communicating to the server of the hacker, now maybe if anyone is hacked into your phone, if there is any suspicious application that will probably communicate and send data to a special server. Now you just need to check and analyze the connections of your phone, so that if it's communicating to any suspicious server, you just need to cut off that connection. Now in this application, you can find all the connection details of any application. Now let's see this phone master, where it is communicating to. Now you can see the application name, the protocol, the query, the source, the destination where it is connecting to, and you can see the status. It's closed now, it means it's not communicating. Now all the traffic, the packets, the payload, everything you can see here, and you can check the payload and you can check the detailed everything. Now if you click here, you can see the logs which have been generated on your phone, and you can see every detail. And over here you can see the applications and the specific detail to any application you can find over here. If you feel it's a suspicious application and it's communicating to a special server, so you can just turn that off, you can uninstall it. And I must give you a very special advice. If you cannot do it yourself, you find any suspicious application, just find it out, take your mobile phone to any expert level person and ask him or her to completely uninstall and clear your phone out of that virus. So this is the most important stage. You can see where any application is communicating to, so you can see if it communicates to any suspicious server. It's obvious whenever there is any virus or any there is a tracking application in your phone, that will probably communicate to a server, to the attacker's server, to the hacker's server, or to someone who is tracking you. It will send data to them, so you can easily find that out and get yourself out of that situation. And now let's move towards the last but not least stage. In this stage, I'm going to show you some of the symptoms if your phone has, so you must know something is communicating in your phone, and that is number one. If your phone battery drains very fast, so you need to be careful about your phone. If your phone has performance issues, and it means it's not performing well, it's lagging, and it's very slow and jamming, so you just need to think about your phone. Now if there are a lot of pop-up ads in your phone, now you just again need to have a look at the applications which are installed into your phone. And if you're and the most important, if your phone gets heat very quickly and whenever you use it, so that time you need to have a checkup of your phone. And if you find any mysterious applications which you don't know and you don't trust, and you feel that you haven't installed those applications by yourself and they've automatically come in your phone, and they appear there, so you need to be careful. And if you see your data usage is very high, even you don't use your data that much, it's very high, so you need to be careful about your phone. So these are some of the symptoms and some of the precautionary measures I would like you to take and have about your phone and save yourself. So thank you everyone for watching till this steps, and this is a perfect and a professional manner on how to check if your phone is act or not. Thank you everyone for watching this video.